Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to generate classification report as well as confusion matrix in Python. So this is my code snippet. I have copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So first of all, why do we need classification report and confusion matrix? These two important evaluation features that is used for classification types problem. So basically, uh, in a uh, in a little bit time, I'll show you what confusion matrix and classification reports look like. So basically, when you do a classification problem, you need to evaluate that on different basis. There are many matrices that you use. It can be F1 score. It can be F1 score is basically harmonic mean of precision and recall, and recall is also known as sensitivity. So sensitivity means how sensitive your data set is towards how sensitive your model is towards predicting the correct output, whereas precision is more about how precise your model is. So uh, I'll show. Okay, so that was all about what is basic feature, what is basic evaluation matrices. So these all are generally generated from confusion matrix that you plot. For that you need to see the complete video in which I'll plot the confusion matrix, and I'll explain to you how does it work. So def code snippet. So this is a function. Now print statements, warnings are from sklearn import datasets. Now I would be using decision tree classifier for model selection. I'll be using train test split for calculating how good my model is, how good my model works on the training and testing dataset. Now from sklearn.matrices classification report and confusion matrix, I'd be importing these two, classification report as well as confusion matrix. I'd be loading my datasets. Now sklearn comes with preloaded datasets, so I've loaded iris dataset since I am working on classification type problems. Now x equal to iris data, y equal to iris target. So this is my feature matrix, this is my target matrix. Now class names, I want my class names, so iris dot target names. Now train test split gives me four outputs, that is x train, y train, that is feature matrix for training, and y output x test, y test. So train test split x, y and test side is equal to 0.33. That is, I want one third of my data set in test size in test side, and two-third of my data set in training side. Now classifier, I've initialized my classifier. So y hat classifier dot fit x train y train dot predict x test. Okay, this means fit my x train y train, make my model initial calculates its weights. This will be done by this feature over this statement over here. And after that I want it to predict, so dot predict x underscore test. Now after that create a classification report. So classification report basically contains all the calculations that is generated using the confusion matrix, and here I'll print my confusion matrix. So target time dot is equal to class. Okay, so now let me run this. So you can see I had three features: Sectosa, Versicora, and Virginica. So it calculated precision, recall, F1 score, and support for it. Now accuracy. So accuracy was 0.90%. Macro average, weighted average. It gave me a complete classification report over here. Now this is how my confusion matrix looked like. So 1500 on 19.1, and this means for 15 Setosa it predicted all Setosas. For 15 Versicora, it predicted 19 Versicora for one, and it made one mistake, that is, it predicted one Versicora as Virginica. For Virginica, it predicted 11 Virginica correctly, and it predicted 4 Virginica as Versicora. You can just get a that maybe Virginica and Versicora have very similar features, but Setosa stands apart. So you can see there is deviation in the F1 score, recall score and precision of Versicora and Virginica, because for Setosa all the predictions were accurate, so the precision and recall and F1 score all comes out to be 1, whereas for Virginica and Versicora, since all the predictions were not accurate, there are some they are less than 1. Now this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant project, you can visit our website, and for more code recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also get your customized code by using click here function over here. So the codes, the link for the code of this video is available in the description below. Thank you.